If you think the monthly payment is the only cost you need to consider when buying a luxury car, you're about to discover why so many luxury car owners end up regretting their purchase within the first year. The actual monthly cost of owning a premium vehicle can be 2 to 3 times higher than the payment amount, and most buyers don't realize this until they're already locked into a lease or loan. We're going to break down the complete monthly cost structure of owning luxury vehicles across different price points. From entry-level premium cars, like the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes C-Class, all the way up to high-end models like the Porsche 911 and Range Rover. What you're about to learn will fundamentally change how you think about luxury car ownership and might save you from making a financial mistake that could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Industry data suggests that the average luxury car owner spends approximately 60 to 70% more per month than their actual car payment when all ownership costs are properly accounted for. That means someone with an $800 monthly payment is actually spending $1,300 to $1,400 per month to keep the vehicle on the road. For higher-end luxury vehicles, this gap becomes even more dramatic, with total monthly costs sometimes reaching 3 to 4 times the base payment amount. Throughout this video, we're going to examine 8 critical cost categories that determine what you'll really pay each month. We'll look at the payment structure and how depreciation makes leasing versus buying a complex decision. We'll examine insurance premiums that shock new luxury car owners. We'll break down fuel costs that vary wildly depending on whether you choose a 4-cylinder, V8, or hybrid powertrain. We'll analyze maintenance and repair costs that separate luxury brands from mainstream vehicles. We'll explore the hidden costs of premium fuel, specialized tires, and required services that dealerships conveniently forget to mention during the sales process. By the end of this comprehensive breakdown, you'll know exactly what different luxury vehicles actually cost per month, who can realistically afford them without destroying their financial future, and how to structure your purchase or lease to minimize the financial damage if you decide to move forward. The payment reality and depreciation impact. Let's start with the most visible monthly cost, your actual payment, whether you're leasing or financing. This is where luxury car ownership begins to separate itself from mainstream vehicles, and where the first layer of financial complexity emerges that catches most buyers unprepared for the long-term implications. For entry-level luxury vehicles like a BMW 330i, Mercedes C300, or Audi A4, which typically stick around $50,000 to $55,000 after options. A traditional finance payment with 20% down and a 60-month loan at current interest rates of 6 to 7% runs approximately $700 to $800 monthly. These same vehicles lease for approximately $500 to $650 per month with minimal money down, making leasing appear substantially more affordable on the surface. Moving up to mid-range, luxury vehicles like the BMW 5 Series, Mercedes E-Class, or Genesis GV80, with prices ranging from $65,000 to $75,000, finance payments jump to $900 to $1,100 monthly. Lease payments for these vehicles typically run $700 to $900 per month. The luxury SUV segment, including models like the BMW X5, Mercedes GLE, or Audi Q7, commands similar payment levels despite often offering less performance than sedans at the same price point. High-end luxury vehicles fundamentally change the payment structure. A Porsche 911 Carrera, starting around $110,000, generates finance payments of approximately $1,700 to $1,900 monthly. A Range Rover approaching $130,000 creates payments exceeding $2,000 per month. Luxury performance sedans like the BMW M5 or Mercedes AMG E63 push monthly finance obligations into the $1,500 to $1,800 range. However, these payment amounts only tell part of the story. The depreciation characteristics of luxury vehicles create a hidden monthly cost that many buyers fail to calculate properly. Industry data suggests that luxury vehicles lose approximately 15 to 20% of their value in the first year alone, compared to 10 to 15% for mainstream brands. By year 3, most luxury vehicles have lost 45 to 55% of their original value, compared to 35 to 45% for mass market vehicles. This accelerated depreciation means that a $50,000 luxury sedan loses approximately $22,000 to $27,000 in value over 3 years, or roughly $600 to $750 per month in depreciation alone. Long-term studies indicate that this depreciation cost often exceeds the actual payment amount for buyers who financed with substantial down payments or paid cash. The lease versus purchase decision becomes critical here. Leasing essentially converts unpredictable depreciation into a fixed monthly cost, which provides certainty but often at a premium price. Insurance costs that shock owners. Insurance represents one of the most significant monthly costs of luxury car ownership, and the premium difference between luxury and mainstream vehicles catches most new owners completely off guard. This is an expense category where the monthly impact can equal or exceed the depreciation costs we just discussed. particularly for younger drivers or those with less than perfect driving records. For entry-level luxury vehicles like the BMW 3 Series Mercedes C-Class or Audi A4, insurance premiums for a 35-year-old driver with a clean record in a suburban area typically range from $200 to $350 monthly, or $2,400 to $4,200 annually. Compare this to a Honda Accord or Toyota Camry, which might cost $120 to $180 monthly to insure, and you're looking at an additional $80 to $170 per month purely for the luxury badge. The reasons behind these elevated premiums extend beyond simple vehicle value. Luxury vehicles incorporate expensive technology, premium materials, and complex systems that dramatically increase repair costs. Industry data suggests that the average insurance claim for a luxury vehicle exceeds comparable mainstream vehicle claims by 40 to 75%. A fender bender that might cost $4,000 to repair on a mainstream sedan can easily reach $8,000 to $12,000 on a luxury vehicle due to expensive sensors, specialized paint, aluminum body panels, and fuel costs and premium requirements. Monthly. Fuel costs for luxury vehicles vary more dramatically than any other expense category, and the difference between choosing a fuel-efficient luxury sedan versus a performance SUV or sports car can easily represent $300 to $500 in monthly fuel expenses. This is an area where buyer choices during the purchase process create permanent monthly cost implications for the entire ownership period. Entry-level luxury sedans with turbocharged four-cylinder engines offer relatively modest fuel costs. A BMW 330i, Mercedes C300, or Audi A4 typically achieves 26 to 30 miles per gallon in combined driving. For a driver covering 1,200 miles monthly at current premium fuel prices of $4 per gallon, this translates to approximately $160 to $185 in monthly fuel costs. While this exceeds the $100 to $125 that a mainstream sedan might cost to fuel, the difference remains manageable at $60 to $80 monthly. However, most luxury vehicle buyers don't purchase four-cylinder models. Industry data suggests that approximately 65% of luxury car buyers opt for six-cylinder or eight-cylinder powertrains, dramatically altering the fuel cost equation. A BMW 540i with a turbocharged inline-six averages 22 to 25 miles per gallon. At 1,200 monthly miles, this increases fuel costs to $190 to $220 monthly, adding another $30 to $40 compared to the four-cylinder variant. Luxury SUVs create substantially higher fuel costs due to their size and weight. A BMW X5 with a six-cylinder engine averages 20 to 23 miles per gallon, resulting in monthly fuel costs of $210 to $240. Larger luxury SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade or Lincoln Navigator with V8 engines average 15 to 17 miles per gallon, pushing monthly fuel costs into the $280 to $320 range for typical driving patterns. Performance luxury vehicles represent the most expensive fuel category. A Porsche 911 Carrera averages 18 to 20 miles per gallon in real-world driving, creating monthly fuel costs of $240 to $270. High-performance luxury SUVs like the Range Rover Sport or BMW X5 M can average as low as 14 to 16 miles per gallon, resulting in monthly fuel costs exceeding $300 for average mileage drivers. The premium fuel requirement adds another layer of cost that many buyers underestimate. Ownership trends show that virtually all luxury vehicles require premium fuel with an octane rating of 91 or higher. Long-term studies indicate that premium fuel costs average 50 to 70 cents more per gallon than regular unleaded. For a vehicle consuming 40 gallons monthly, this premium fuel requirement adds $20 to $28 per month, compared to if the vehicle could run on regular fuel. Hybrid luxury vehicles offer a compelling fuel cost alternative. Models like the Lexus ES Hybrid or BMW 530e achieve substantially better fuel economy, potentially reducing monthly fuel costs to $90 to $120. Maintenance and scheduled service reality. Monthly maintenance costs separate luxury vehicles from mainstream cars more than almost any other category, and this is where the true cost of premium ownership becomes undeniable. The scheduled maintenance requirements, parts costs, and labor rates for luxury vehicles create ongoing monthly expenses that persist throughout the ownership period and accelerate as vehicles age. Most luxury manufacturers structure their maintenance schedules around intervals of 10,000 miles or 1 year for basic services. For entry-level luxury vehicles like the BMW 3 Series or Mercedes C-Class, these basic services typically cost $350 to $550 per visit. A driver covering 12,000 miles annually requires at least one basic service, plus potentially one more comprehensive service, totaling approximately $700 to $1,200 annually, or $60 to $100 monthly when averaged. However, luxury vehicle maintenance extends far beyond oil changes. Industry data suggests that the complete scheduled maintenance cost for luxury vehicles over the first 5 years, or 60,000 miles, averages $4,000 to $7,000 compared to $2,000 to $3,000 for mainstream vehicles. This translates to an additional monthly maintenance burden of $35 to $70 compared to non-luxury alternatives. Brake services illustrate the cost premium clearly. Luxury vehicles often use larger brake rotors, performance brake pads, and in some cases, carbon ceramic brakes that cost exponentially more than conventional systems. A complete brake service on a BMW 5 Series might cost $1,500 to $2,000 at the dealership, compared to $600 to $900 for a mainstream sedan. For vehicles equipped with carbon ceramic brakes like those available on Porsche or high-performance Mercedes models, brake replacement can exceed $8,000 to $12,000, creating a catastrophic maintenance event that can occur every 40 to 60,000 miles. Tire replacement represents another significant monthly cost when properly averaged. Luxury vehicles typically require premium tires that cost $250 to $400 each. Performance luxury vehicles often use staggered wheel setups with different size tires front and rear, preventing rotation and accelerating replacement frequency. Long-term studies indicate that luxury vehicle owners replace tires every 25 to 35,000 miles, compared to 40 to 50,000 miles for mainstream vehicles. This accelerated replacement cycle, combined with higher per-tire costs, adds approximately $40 to $70 to monthly ownership costs when averaged over time. Specialized fluids and parts create additional maintenance premiums. Luxury vehicles often require proprietary synthetic oils, specific brake fluids, and specialized coolants that cost 2 to 3 times more than conventional alternatives. The labor rates at luxury dealerships typically range from $150 to $250 per hour, compared to $90 to $130 for mainstream brands. Extended warranties and maintenance packages become critical considerations. Many luxury buyers purchase prepaid maintenance plans that cover scheduled services for 3 to 5 years, with costs ranging from $1,200 to $3,000 up front. Repairs, reliability, and unexpected costs. Beyond scheduled maintenance, the monthly cost of unexpected repairs separates luxury vehicles into dramatically different categories based on brand reliability and parts availability. This expense category creates the most significant variation in long-term monthly costs and represents the area where luxury car ownership can transition from expensive to financially catastrophic. Reliability data reveals substantial differences among luxury brands. Industry data suggests that Lexus and Genesis rank among the most reliable luxury brands, with average annual repair costs of approximately $700 to $900 after the warranty period expires. This translates to roughly $60 to $75 monthly in averaged repair expenses. German luxury brands like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi typically experience annual repair costs of $1,300 to $1,900 once warranties expire, or approximately $110 to $160 monthly. High-performance luxury vehicles and exotic brands face even higher repair costs. Porsche ownership averages approximately $1,600 to $2,000 annually in repairs, or $135 to $165 monthly. Range Rover and other British luxury brands consistently rank among the least reliable luxury vehicles, with ownership trends showing annual repair costs frequently exceeding $2,500 to $3,500, or $210 to $290 monthly once out of warranty. Common failure points create predictable expense categories. Electronic systems in modern luxury vehicles represent the most frequent repair category. Issues with infotainment systems, driver assistance features, electronic suspension systems, and complex lighting can each cost $1,000 to $3,000 to repair. Long-term studies indicate that the average luxury vehicle experiences at least one significant electronic system failure within the first 8 years of ownership. Turbocharger failures plague many modern luxury vehicles, particularly those with smaller displacement turbocharged engines producing high power outputs. Turbocharger replacement typically costs $2,500 to $4,500 per turbo, and many luxury vehicles use twin-turbo configurations that can fail simultaneously or sequentially, effectively doubling the repair cost. Air suspension systems, common on luxury sedans and SUVs, represent another reliability concern with expensive repair implications. Air spring replacement costs $600 to $1,200 per corner. Complete air suspension system failures can exceed $4,000 to $7,000 to repair. Industry data suggests that approximately 30 to 40% of luxury vehicles equipped with air suspension experience some component failure within the first 10 years. Warranty coverage becomes critical for managing these repair costs. Most luxury manufacturers offer 3 to 4 year comprehensive warranties, during which most major repairs are covered. However, the majority of expensive failures occur between years 5 and 10 after warranty expiration, but while monthly payments often continue. Extended warranty options typically cost $1,800 to $3,500 for 3 additional years of coverage, adding $50 to $100 to effective monthly costs. Who can actually afford this? Understanding the complete monthly cost structure allows us to answer the critical question: who can actually afford luxury car ownership without compromising their financial health? The answer reveals that a much smaller percentage of luxury car buyers than you might expect are making financially sound decisions with these purchases. Financial advisors generally recommend that total transportation costs should not exceed 10 to 15% of gross income. For luxury vehicles with complete monthly costs ranging from $1,200 to $3,000 or more, this means different affordability thresholds across vehicle categories. For entry-level luxury vehicles with total monthly costs of approximately $1,200 to $1,500 when all expenses are included, the minimum recommended gross income sits around $10,000 to $12,500 monthly, or $120,000 to $150,000 annually. This allows the vehicle costs to remain within the recommended 10 to 12% range, while leaving room for other financial priorities like retirement savings, emergency funds, and general living expenses. However, industry data suggests that the median entry-level luxury car buyer earns approximately $85,000 to $105,000 annually, well below the financially prudent threshold. Ownership trends show that these buyers typically allocate 18 to 25% of their gross income to vehicle expenses, crowding out other critical financial priorities and creating long-term wealth accumulation challenges. Mid-range luxury vehicles costing $1,800 to $2,300 monthly. Incomplete ownership costs require annual incomes of $180,000 to $230,000 to maintain financial health. The actual median buyer in this category earns approximately $125,000 to $150,000. Again, spending far above recommended thresholds at 20 to 30% of gross income. High-end luxury vehicles and performance cars with monthly costs ranging from $2,500 to $4,000 or more demand annual incomes exceeding $300,000 to $400,000 to be financially responsible purchases. Long-term studies indicate that many buyers in this category are stretching their finances dangerously, often sacrificing retirement contributions, maintaining inadequate emergency savings, or accumulating other debts to support their vehicle choice. The financially savvy luxury car owner follows a different profile. They typically earn at least double the minimum recommended income for their chosen vehicle, allowing costs to remain well below 10% of income. They purchase certified pre-owned vehicles that are 3 to 5 years old, avoiding the catastrophic first-year depreciation while still enjoying manufacturer-backed warranties. They maintain vehicles for 8 to 12 years, spreading the acquisition cost over extended periods. They build separate savings accounts specifically for maintenance and repair costs, avoiding the surprise of unexpected expenses.